In this video, I will show you how to find jobs on Glassdoor. To do this, just go and open up Glassdoor and sign into your account if you already have one, or create one if you don't. And from there at the top, you want to go to the jobs section. Now from within jobs, there are a few filters you can add right now. So your job, so that's basically the job title. For example, if I type marketing, you can see some marketing jobs. For example, marketing manager. Then here enter the city, state, zip code, or you can also add remote if you want remote work. For example, add New York. And then from there, it will go to search for it. You can also create a job alert for these filters. But from here, you can also add more filters, such as the desired minimum salary. And for example, easy apply only, remote only, and you can set the salary range. You can set the company rating, for example, 4 stars and up, and you can set the date posted for the job. Now here for these specific filters, so a marketing manager in New York at a company of 4 stars or more, you can see there are 635 open jobs. So you can see many of them will be from these same companies, and you can also see the range of how much they will pay. So you can just find the job you're interested in, and then once you click on it, you can see some more details. So they will have a description right here of the company. Then they will ask for your qualifications, and then what you can do is click on apply on employer's site. And then for this specific one, you then have the application right here, and then here you can autofill the application or just enter it manually. And now you can just go and apply for the job. So that's how you can find jobs on Glassdoor. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.